Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Stay Home 2021 update for August 12th, 2021. The Delta 9 variant of COVID-19 is sweeping through the unvaccinated population, at least here in America. I can't speak for elsewhere. It just so happens that most of the unvaccinated are in places where they voted for Trump. I'll leave you to draw whatever conclusions you want to that fact. The unvaccinated are causing it to mutate. And if you've been vaccinated, you can still get Delta 9, although it probably won't kill you or make you extremely sick. But then a galaxy class flu doesn't sound like much fun to me either. If you're not vaccinated, if you won't wear a mask, and you won't socially distance yourself, you deserve what happens to you. Talk about your rights, talk about your freedom, talk about God's will. Maybe it's God's will that the really stupid people like you clear away. Make room for people with more than half a brain. How dare I say that? It's the way it seems. So think real hard. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask. Wear gloves outside because it's a filthy world and people are always putting nasty, dirty fingerprints where you can't see them, but you touch them and bring that stuff home. Remember, it's your life. But then again, it's not just your life, it's people around you. You could be accused of attempted murder if you don't get vaccinated. Don't wear a mask and don't socially distance yourself. I'm waiting for someone to be arrested for attempted murder because they won't wear a mask and get vaccinated. I really am. Good night from California. If you're smart, get vaccinated and wear a mask and socially distance yourself.